Valley, Sunshine Coast, afternoon, Aurora.
Alright, so as you can hear, I've got the BITX40 VFO calibrated. Took some doing a couple of things with frequency with crystals. One, the 27 megahertz crystal on this oscillator, or on this SI5351A breakout board, was at a couple hundred hertz higher than usual, so I had to do a lot of fiddling to get that to be at 7100. And for some reason, my usual calibration method did not work. So anyway, but it's working, and so that's calibrated. At least I think it is. It'll take more testing. So you'll notice that the IF is not at. I would have expected it to be at 11.0592. So I would have expected 1500 hertz below that. So 592 would be 9200, 1500 hertz below, between 9200. So what's 92 minus 15? 82. So I would expect it to run 82. Instead, it's actually 1 kilohertz below that. And I noticed when I was calibrating, or when I was testing these crystals, they seemed to be low, and I just thought it was maybe due to capacitance or whatever, but they are in fact low by about 1 kilohertz. Interestingly enough, don't care, it works. In fact, you can hear it. It's working fine. Sideband rejection could probably be a little bit better. I'm not going to say this is the best filter that I could have made. If I had an oscilloscope and other things, I might have been able to do a better job, but I'm not really sure. Or nano VNA. I think I might pick up a nano VNA because I know it'll test these things. So we'll see. I'm going for doing what anybody can do using the tool, the primary tool between their ears. And that might not be perfection, and I'm okay with that. It's still better. I mean, this thing is better than it was. So I'm pretty happy with it.
Tango, good afternoon, Northern Bruce, and we have you, QRU. Thanks, Bruce. Go ahead, Don.
So I'm tuning into a Canadian net. There are nice booming signals here on 7100 kilohertz. And that allowed me to do some A/B testing between my Kenwood and this receiver. And this one sounds pretty good. I mean, the Kenwood does sound a little bit better, but I kind of would expect that. That could also be the speaker. I've got this speaker here, and it's probably not the greatest. But yeah, I'm happy. This is working. So the next step is to do a little bit more receive testing. But I'm also going to see if I can't actually get it to transmit. Now, I'm not going to transmit on the air. I'm going to transmit into a dummy load and see if I can hear it on my Kenwood. But that'll be the next step. So thanks for watching, and we'll post another video when we have more. 73.